Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing BBQ Box. So this is a monthly barbecue subscription from Myron Mixon, who is a pit master if you're familiar with him. Each of these boxes includes one of his recipes. So they ask you when you subscribe what kind of meat you like and what style barbecue you like. And then each month you're going to get one of his recipes, and the whole box is focused around that recipe. It will have like a certain meat, like this one I saw is pork belly. They're $24.99, so each one includes a recipe, a wood chip sample, an 8-ounce wood chip sample, a rub or sauce, a marinade, no, not a rub or a sauce or marinade, a rub or spice blend, and an edible, and that's it. All right, so we're gonna open this one up. I think for $24.99 you get a lot of stuff. And it's really nice. So here's our recipe, and they walk us through the whole thing, and then they also tell us the recipe is Korean barbecue pork belly sliders. That sounds dang delicious. So in the edible this month is True Jerky, the Sinsa Korean barbecue flavored beef jerky. California local for it. I love the jerky. They send really good jerky in this box. Some of my favorite jerky ever has been in this box. All right. Oh, look, we've got a little, what are these called? Like I don't know, but this is their actual brand. It's the BBQ Box brand. Marinator, like sauce slipper doodad. Isn't that cool though? Oh, I like it. There you go. All right, so our sauce is K-pop sauce. Medium heat, the sweet and tangy with a kick Korean chili sauce. Look at that. I like the little logo there. Welcome to the K-pop Foods family, and thank you for your support. Every purchase helps us get closer to our mission to bring people together and uplift spirits by sharing Korean food and flavors with America. I can't wait to try that. And then here's our, this feels like a sauce too. It is. So this is from Chungjung-won, premium Korean barbecue sauce and marinade. Ooh, so what's in here? It's the irresistible aroma and rich flavor of meat and vegetables marinated in a rich blend of flavors and grilled to perfection. Our premium Korean barbecue marinade blends pure soy sauce with the flavors of apple, pineapple, garlic, black pepper, and savory miso to transform meats and vegetables into an exotic Korean food adventure. Of course, it also makes the perfect marinade to create delicious Korean-style grilled beef. So there's that. So that's everything that we received in this box. I'm like stocked up on sauce. I have sauce out the wazoo for every kind of meat because of BBQ Box. So if you want to like build up your collection, this is the way to go. They send tons of stuff. I love it. We enjoy it. We think it's a great subscription. So if you're interested in my full review, I'll link to that below. I will also link to BBQ Box so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.